After all, a recent study found that 1 in 5 online shoppers view customer reviews as the single most important factor influencing their decision to make a purchase. But how does web design influence customer reviews? In this article, we'll look at 3 web design tips e-commerce businesses can use to deliver a better user experience for online shoppers while encouraging more customers to write reviews. Chances are, most will center on the same key details. You can help. Let's look at the way Nordstrom summarizes customer reviews of Vans sneakers. Nordstrom knows that most online shoppers who read reviews will be interested in trying to get a sense of how the sneakers will fit without trying them on. In addition to collecting anecdotes, Nordstrom uses a slider graphic to make it easy for reviewers to help other customers predict how the shoes will fit. Online shoppers can peruse individual reviewers' sliders, a summary that aggregates all of their ratings.